Squeak's like, hang on a minute, what are you eating? I'm stuck inside the cage. Door's open, Squeaky boy. You got in, you have to get out. Oh, you're cheating, you're eating it through the bars, you little bugger. You're going to come out and eat. Bubbles is eating millet spray. No, you're not happy, are you? Door's open. You know this because you came. You nutty budgie. So you're on the roof of the cage.
Desperate times need desperate measures. At this size, Mike can't travel far, so Dr. Don's paying him a home visit. Hi Mike, nice to meet you.
Is that nice, Bubble?
Now, obviously, I've got a serious issue with your weight. In what way does it bother you?
Bubbles eating millet spray.
Your breathing actually strikes me. If I was to ask you to get up and walk down the road...
Wouldn't happen.
How far would you get?
About the end of the garden. Also get
Go on, Squeak.
my ankles, they sort of swell.
Oh, okay. There's some serious problems with the circulation. And that's because actually all this fat is just squashing the blood vessels.
Go on, you're a smart budgie.
Yes, indeed. And I get a lot of like scarring and boils sort of things come up on my stomach.
Do you want to have a little look?
Sure.
Oh, right, okay. So are they sore?
No, they're not sore. They're just sort of lumps and they just sort of ooze out at times. Weight loss pills, suppressants, things like that.
What's the most...
There you go, it's on paper. Come on, get it.
I think at best I lost about 2 kilos in one go.
Come on then.
2 kilos?
It's not a lot.
No, it's not a lot.
No.
Is there
Come on.
If we do nothing about your weight...
You know you want some millet. I guess you don't like the carpet and you don't like the paper down then. Oh, are you getting pissed off? Oh dear, let's find a different way of doing it then. Come on, I'll put it down here now. I'll put it on my plate. You are awkward buggers. You do know this, you are awkward.
What can I do for you today? I've come because of my home.
I'll put it on the plate for you. Are you going to come and eat it?
Do
Do you want to come and eat the millet spray?
Okay, add the weight and to maybe a little weakness that was always there for years and years and years. And
come on, Den.
Which is now grown into,
Do you want the millet spray?
unfortunately, something far bigger.
You want that millet spray because Bubbles had some.
When a heavy strain such as the root
Bubbles had loads of millet spray.
allowing the intestines to pop through,
She's like, that's some tasty shit, man.
an adult hernia cannot repair itself. In fact, the longer its length, the larger it will grow, becoming
Ew.
painful and dangerous to operate on. Let's just have a look.
Come on, Den. You want that millet spray? Hey, stop chewing me. Stop chewing the architrave stuff.
This is all bad. This is all your intestines.
Come on,
This is open, it's not going back in there. It is a vicious cycle.
you little bugger.
You need surgery. You can't have surgery unless you lose some more weight. And these is where
Stop chewing that in anger. That's naughty. Stop chewing. Come on, get it then. It's there, I'll put it on plate for you. Come on, Squeak. Bubbles, Squeak. Come on. Come on. I'll put it on plate. Come on. Come on. Come on, then. Come on, beddies. Come on, you little feather fuckers. Put your food on a plate, man. Good boy. Good boy, Squeak. Go on, Bubs. Bubble. Go on, girl. Go on, you little bugger. Go on, Squeak. You want that millet, don't you? You want the millet. Nom nom nom.